Hello. As you know, this week I've been talking about some of the ways in which we defeat ourselves in the spiritual life. And the spiritual trap that I want to address for just a minute today is that of busyness. My weekends are usually fraught with activity. So I wake up on a Saturday morning and I go to get my exercise on the handball court, and then I go and buy the groceries and bring them home and put them away and start the laundry and clean the house and take out the trash. My neighbor says in the fall, when I'm, raking the leaves, I actually get to the point where I'm trying to catch the leaves before they hit the ground. Even after I do all of that and I sit down, then I have to read a book, or I have to do a crossword puzzle. In other words, I have this compulsive need to be productive all the time. I once heard someone say that hyperactivity, this need to be busy all the time, is a mood-altering experience, just like drugs or alcohol are mood-altering substances. And so this need to be busy all the time is really a detriment. Even though it looks like something positive and something healthy, it's really not. Underneath this excessive desire to be busy is a feeling of perfectionism, that I have to be busy all the time, that somehow I'm just not good enough, and so I have to constantly prove my worth. And what I have found when I realize that I'm being trapped by hyperactivity is I have to just simply stop myself and say, enough is enough. I may not have done the best today, but I have done my best today. And then I have to learn simply how to be at peace with that. It may not be everything. I may not have gotten everything done that I needed to do today or wanted to do today. But I have done my best. And when I can be at peace with that, then I am healthier, both psychologically and spiritually. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a good Friday and a great weekend.